Dus wat ik aan moet vragen, wat zijn die? Wat zijn vragen? Zijn vragen? Nee.
Peter?
Let the attendant first.
Oké, jij kan volgens mij de landers van de roep hoor.
5 minuten.
5
Workers is amended until the third and the fourth day of May 2023. Court 28 for your co-accused and for your possible bail application. You will remain in custody until then.
That's not you know, welcome to the 3 before May 2023 was 86. Don't want to have some more when I go to have a fun of you can actually.
Dann